Hello everyone, welcome you all in the learning mathematics and statistics by using the softwares. You already learn about the Excel and GeoGebra by the various professors in the schools. Now we are starting with a very new and interesting topic about the function, and in that function we need to find the maximum and minimum value of the function. So basically we are saying that maxima and we need to find minimum. So in this lecture, I am going to explain you what are the basic steps to find the maxima and minima manually. Here Professor Abhijit Pawar telling you how to find the maxima minimum value. It is also known as the extreme values of a function. So you already learned what is mean by function and each and everything. So here we are starting with a function is provided to us and we need to find the maximum and minimum value of that function. Then how we are going to find that? For this, today I'm going to tell you in two lectures how we are going to find manually, how we are using pen and paper to find that. And afterwards, we are using GeoGebra to finding the maximum and minimum value. By using softwares also and by using manually also, we need to understand the exact concept of maxima minimum. So very first step, whenever the function is provided to you, so if given y is equal to f of x is given to you, then our step 1, what should be our step 1? Step 1 is that we need to first calculate f dash of x. F dash of x means what? First order derivative. Oh, my handwriting is not that good, but you need to understand while I'm speaking that first order derivative we need to calculate. What should be our step 2? Step 2 means what? In that f dash of x put equal to 0. Why? And while putting this equal to 0, we will get the roots. What we will get? We will get the roots. Root means the solutions of the given function. So basically we can get two or three values of x. Here we are finding the values of x. And what should be our next step? Let me scroll down a page so you will get the visualization clear. So what should be our step 3? Step 3 will be whatever the value we are getting from step 2, we are going to put that value in f double dash. So firstly we are going to find f double dash of x and put the values put the values from step 2, put the values which we are getting from step 2. So whatever the value which we are getting, either it's a positive value, either it's negative value, either it's two values or three values, depend on the our first order derivative. What is these derivative? And then we need to put that values in f double dash of x. Now you, what is mean by f double dash of x? Let me use some color. F double dash of x means second order derivative. So you need to do the derivative twice. And after getting a second order derivative, we will get our nice equation. And in that equation, we need to substitute the values of from the values which we are getting from step 2. Now let me change the color again. I'll get up this. We're starting with black. What are our step number 4? Step number 4 is what? If after substituting the values, if f double dash x is negative or minimum, then that point the function is maximum. If f double dash x is negative, then for that point, for that point or value, for that point, function, that point, function is maximum. This is a very interesting fact that whenever f dash of x is negative, whenever it is negative, then the function must be maximum. Try to guess that point. This is a very controversial contrast point that array, what we are doing, if we are getting negative, still the function is for maximum. How it is, that we will discuss in the lecture, and that we will discuss while solving the example, and you will definitely get why it is so. Now the but obvious question, if f double dash of x is positive, then what? That by nature we have this question, if f double dash is positive, then then there is also answer, then of that point, then for that point, for that point, function is is nothing but what is minimum. If someone saying that the function is maximum, then for other it must be a minimum function. So let me shade it this also. So very interesting point. If f double dash of x means it's a second order derivative. If second order derivative is negative when while substituting the points, then the function is maximum. And if f double dash is positive, then the point of the that point function is maximum. So not necessary all times we are getting the values of x is negative only. Not necessary. We can get the positive values also, you can see. So where we are starting, we are finding the maximum and minimum values, which is also known as the extreme values of a function, what we known as extreme value. Extreme value means it's a positive and negative. So y is equal to f of x is provided to us. So very first step, we need to find first order derivative. After first order derivative, we can put first order derivative is equal to 0, because we need to find the roots. Root means what? The solution of that problem. Solution means what? Which value I should substitute, then I will get the 0. That means a solution. What should be the step 3? Here we are getting 2 or 3 values of x or y variable, and then we need to put that values in f double dash of x. Now what is f double dash of x? F double dash of x nothing but a second order derivative. This is what? Second order derivative. And if f double dash of x is negative, then the function is positive. It's vice versa. If it is negative, then function is maximum, and if f double dash is positive, then function is minimum. This is a basically theoretical concept of the function, finding the maximum minimum value of a function. So in the next lecture we will go with the example by manually only, pen and paper, and in next lectures onward, that is third or fourth lecture, we will have a demonstration that how we can use GeoGebra for finding the maximum and minimum value, which command must be there, and how it's actually easy to handle. You already learn that how to handle the GeoGebra and Excel. It's very straightforward and easy to handle it. So nothing to more conceptually we need to clear, nothing to worried about it. For better conceptual understanding, better geometrical understanding, better visualization of understanding, we are using GeoGebra, and that's our title, that learning mathematics and statistics using software. So definitely we will meet till that point. Stay connected. Whatever the assignment is uploaded, try to complete it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask any of our mathematics professor. We will definitely help it out. So thank you. We will meet in the next lecture for then exam. Thank you very much.